Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the topic what is the difference between the println and print statement in the Java programming language any programming language. First we will come into the what is the println. The meaning of println means this will print the message and cursor will go into the next line. We can see here I have already mentioned everything inside the statement. Println print the message and shift the cursor to new line. After we are coming to the print, the meaning of print means print message and cursor will go into the next line. That is the main difference between println and print. Do not worry guys, we will discuss in next example. Let's see one code in Java for more clarity. Okay, so you can see here I did create one class that is program1. After that I did write public static void main string argofest. I will discuss in the next part why are you creating class, why are you writing like this public static, everything I will discuss. But this video is focusing on the main part is the println and print. We can see here I am printing the simply hello world, but before the hello world we can see that I did write here println. As you know that the meaning of println means it will print the message and cursor will go into the new line. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, when you will write the code, after that writing the code, when will you print the any statement and we are writing the println, then statement will go into the, after printing the message and the statement go into the next line. That this means hello world we printed first, and after that we can see here I am writing the print hello. What is the print hello? Print hello means cursor will not go into the next line. That means after printing the message cursor will remain, will be here. So first will be print will be hello, and after that as you know the meaning of print, cursor will not go into the next part, that is my logic also will be printed into the same line. This is the main difference between the println and print statement. Now I am executing the same code into the command prompt. You can see here I am already I have written this code. I am opening this code and I am showing you. 1 minute guys. 1 minute guys, I am opening the code. I have all written I have already written this code. We can see here I am opening that. You can see that this is a simple class program one, public static void main and println hello world, print hello and println my logic. I am executing this code into the command prompt. We can see here what is the output of this code is the hello world. Why hello world? Because it is a println. The cursor will print the statement, that is the hello world, and the cursor will go into the next line, that is the print will be hello will be printed into next line. But as you know that in the print it will not go into the next line, it will remain into the same line. So my logic will be print into the same, because the print is the same line as much as you. So this is the main difference between the println and print statement. Okay guys, that is it for the today. We will discuss later by the other example.